Call his name. Where's Sissy at?
I'm the window.
Where's Sissy, Aaron?
I'm right here.
Is she hiding?
No, I'm outside. Trying to find the blind, Aaron. Find the blind for Ann Pocket.
Where's she at, Aaron?
Open the window.
Where's Sissy?
I can't see him.
Where's Sissy? Come to the other window and call his name.
This one?
Yeah.
Aaron!
Call his name again.
Aaron! I'm right here! Better not laugh at me, girl. Or break the window seal.
No, you will not. I'm laughing at Aaron because he's confused. Where's Sissy?
Over here!
Go to the other window. Go to the other window. Hurry, hurry. Go to the other one. Go to the other window. Come right here so he can see you. Where's Sissy? Look right. Where's Sissy? All right, you can't be pulling on my blinds now, buddy. Say bye-bye.